Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. I am so excited to be here because we got another easy to make, beautiful Valentine's ribbon going on, working with ribbon. And if you guys enjoy my videos and like my videos, consider subscribing, and you will get notified every time a new video comes out. You would also be helping my channel grow with that much thanks. Let's get this beauty started. We are working with beautiful ribbon today. It's 171-inch ribbon. We also got some of these beautiful greenery. We also got some roses. We got a little bit of some white floral. And we are working with a 14-inch wreath. We also got this heart, which I glued some wire in the back and pinned that already on. Okay, everything's set. Let's get started. Oh, this is going to be a beauty, everybody. Yes, indeed. Okay, first thing we are going to do is 12 inches. We are going to do one loop. I think I write it on this side. One loop. Oh, yeah, excuse me. One loop, 12 inches now. And then another one. Let's turn this around and we're going to get it right there. There it is. Wow, look at that. I got my wires already popped up, ready to get this inserted. There it is. Look at that. And we're just going to work our way around with this beauty. We are going to do 2 loops all the way around this beauty. Yes, indeed. Spectacular. I'm going to get this 1 and 2. Let's pinch it together. Got this going. Oh my, look at. See, with the wire wreath, I just love to work with this wire wreath because there's no need to be clipping and using other wires. Yes, it is. You can insert a lot of things in this guy. Okay, we are going down again, and we are going 1 and 2. 2 more. Down. Get this going. Pinch it. Got this wire out here ready for this to be placed on there. Put this. There we go. Oh, look at that, everybody. Just use the 1 wire, not 2. We got that going on right here. Look at that. How beautiful. Then we're going to get this down here. Ay, ay, ay. There. Got this. Get the 1. Then 2. 1. It's kind of confusing when you go back and forth. But then you get it and pinch it together. I'm getting it. We are learning together now, everybody. There we go. Look at that, everybody. How is it looking? Wow. I like this ribbon. I got this on the sales over there at the Joann's. And then with the last one, we are just making 1 big guy sticking out. Just 1. Okay, right here. Just the last one is going to be 1 loop. We got that set right here. And bam. There we go. Place that in there and look at that. Wow. There we go. And then kind of push the ribbon in. The wreath. There we go. How is that, everybody? Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, now we are going to get the greenery going. Okay, on the bottom, I got, kind of longer ones. We're just going to stick those down here. Oh, kind of tilt the wreath. These are like going to be flowing down. Make your wreath look spectacular, Look at this. Another one right here. Oh my, look at that. Then we're going to get our other ones on the side here. How's it looking, everybody? Give a thumbs up or leave a comment. I'd be appreciating those comments. It's so neat, how other people, around the world be communicating with you by giving you thumbs up or just saying your wreath is beautiful. I very much appreciate that. It's you don't know how happy I just thank you guys. Okay, and then we're gonna get the rest around here. Just put it in the parts where it needs to be, that part where it needs some greenery, and then you got a beautiful, spectacular wreath going on. Look at that, everybody. Let's get some more up here. Finish it right there. Then let's puff this beauty out so you can hide the greenery wires. And we got it. I think we got it, everybody. There you go. Puff these guys out, and I think we got it, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you know, got some kind of little ideas, you know. That's why I make the videos, because we are all learning together, and let's just have fun making our wreaths, and let's all have a happy day, and let's just get the rest of our roses. Where can I put this one, everybody? Let's just try right there. Now step back and visualize, Mama, so you know what you are working with, huh? There we go, and then we'll get a little bit of some color up there, right there. Wow, look at that. Remember, now balance your items out and be creative, and wow, this is coming out so beautiful. Okay, let's get some more coloring out in here, and I think we got it, everybody. This is another beauty out here. So with that said, let me put you up and let everybody see what we got going. Wow, how beautiful. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. I appreciate you all so much. You guys make my day, and I'm happy to be here to bring out these creative items for everybody, because we all learn together and getting through this world. Let's be happy, and ooh, look at that, how beautiful. Just be creative and visualize, balance things out. Just have fun. Have fun making your wreath, because it's a special wreath because you made it. Look at how beautiful. Thanks for coming to my channel. Until the next one, we got many more coming. Have a great day.